Hello viewers, how are you? Hope you are fine. Welcome to my channel Drawing Time with Story. Today I am going to show you how to draw a capsicum. It is also known as bell pepper. The bell pepper name showed that it is bell shaped. Its fame is spread all over the world. It first grew in Mexico, South America, and its seeds were carried to Europe, Asia, and Africa. It is identified from its unique smell. The smell is very sweet. Its bright color casts a magic spell upon the viewers. The colors are very vibrant and the varieties of colors are orange, green, red and yellow. Its skin is glossy, inside is hollow. We can see some seeds there. It's light in weight with tiny flat seeds. When the capsicum is fresh, crisp, juicy, it is the picking time. It adds taste to pizzas, pastas, pies and chow mein. It is a very rich source of vitamin C. Many minerals and vitamins are abound in this fruit. In Australia, capsicums are sold by its color. The main type of capsicum is shaped like a bell and has 4 lobes. All the long, tapered capsicums are becoming more popular. These are closely related to hot chilies but are larger and taste sweet. Red capsicums are sweeter than green capsicums, but they soften faster. Orange capsicums are sweet and crisp, while the yellow capsicums have a mild flavor. When you cut a purple or black capsicum, the inside is colored green. Capsicums are an excellent source of vitamin A and C. Red contain more than green capsicums. They are also a good source of dietary fiber, vitamin A, B6 and folate. The sweetness of capsicum is due to their natural sugars. Green capsicums have less sugar than red capsicums. Capsicums grow on a flowering bush that can reach up to 60 or 80 cm. Capsicum plants prefer stable, warm climates and are usually planted as seedlings. The seedlings take from 11 to 13 weeks to grow into mature plants with the capsicums ready to harvest. Red capsicums start out green, but if left on the bush to ripen, they eventually turn red. Other types of capsicum turn yellow, orange, brown, or purple or black in color. Take care when you harvest capsicums. Rough treatment can injure the plant as the stems are very brittle and can snap off easily. When choosing capsicums, you should select ones with firm, glossy skins. Avoid those with shriveled skins, soft spots, or other visible damage. Store capsicums in the crispier section of your fridge. Ordinary plastic bags cause capsicums to sweat, so only use fridge storage bags. Capsicum should be used within 5 days. The substance capsaicin, which controls hotness in peppers, is present in very small amounts in bell peppers, making it less hot. Though they are available throughout the year, they are most abundant and tasty in the summers. The content of vitamin C and carotenoid also increases when the pepper is at the peak of its ripeness. These colorful and attractive vegetables are enjoyed all over the world in a variety of cuisines. Other names of capsicum are Shimla mirch in Hindi. Being high in vitamin A, red bell peppers help to support healthy eyesight, especially night vision. They are a rich source of a carotenoid called lutein that helps in lowering the risk of macular degeneration of the eyes. Macular degeneration of eyes is the most common cause of age-related visual loss. Hope you enjoyed. So stay connected with me. Bye bye. See you.